You had no qualms leaving me to wait, did you, Blood Devil? I thought you turned tail and fled.
Spare me your complaints! Earning my freedom took some time. What matters is that I've met your demands. Is it not that?
My first meal in ages. And since it's a young man, his blood will no doubt be brimming with vigor. Look. See the wound your kind inflicted on me? Hacked my arm clean off like savages. The injury was so severe that it forced a grand creature such as I to hide away in this shithole!
Like I care.
I prefer quiet food. With your human blood, I'll heal my arm and right the wrongs your kind committed! Repulsive! As sickening as that was, it restored my body nonetheless! My mouth is still filled with that vile taste! I must swiftly find another human and cleanse my palate.
And you, the sap who wants to be buddies with them.
I'm stunned you didn't stop and question my story when its plot holes were so evident. Never was a species more foolish than yours.
The stench of cigarettes. The smell of makeup and drugs.
Is it right?
Now there's a pleasing aroma. Children's blood should wash out that foul taste.
Look here, Bat Devil! I brought you a human as promised. You've no reason to keep meowing.
Ah, that's right. You and I made a little trade, didn't we?
There you are!
But I haven't punished you for bringing such nasty fare.
Meowie. Earlier you said you'd never pet Pochita again. I sympathize with you now. 'Tis a dreadful feeling.
Terrible! All this nauseating blood! The inside of my mouth feels filthy! I shall trade some children and rinse it out! After I gargle, I'll have a virgin as an appetizer, I think. And then a large plump man for the main course. Followed by a pregnant woman for dessert.
Cough up the tits. Those are mine.
You seriously drank my blood? Revolting! If I can't have yours, you certainly can't have mine! You're really a devil!
Run, you idiot! This asshole's hungry!
You let a perfectly good snack escape? What devil would do something like that?
The kind that'll slice into your gut. so I can touch me some food! Get moving already!
Well, if you're going to insist on saving humans, let's see you cut through this!
They can retract! That's so cool!
Your puny body contains such strength! Why would you waste it playing protector?
Who said I'm protecting him? I don't give a shit about this guy! Not blood!
I'm in dire need of healing. Shame your blood reeks of tobacco, but it'll do. Absurd! How are you dead?
I've gone through a whole lot of crap up till now. Been patient as a freaking saint. So why haven't I got to cop a single damn thing?
No! Stay back!